Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace and change your batteries in your Amazon Fire Stick remote. Now, these are AAA batteries and they're super small. So just go ahead and go to the store and read the descriptions, and you'll want to get something that says AAA. So they're about the size of your finger, maybe a little bit smaller. So let's place these in here. And you shouldn't have to reconnect your controller. So I got new batteries in here. Now let's go ahead and just move around. If you do have to reconnect your controller, go to the home button and hold this down for about 15 seconds, and your Amazon Fire Stick remote, it will start blinking green, but it should reconnect to the Amazon Fire Stick if you do lose connection. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.